everybody, welcome back to the Cupcake Jemma channel with me, Sally, and welcome to the Crumbs Doilies bakery. We are so busy here this week. The guys have got so many cakes to be decorating today, so I thought I'd jump in here and give them a hand, which hopefully is helpful, and hopefully I'm not just going to get in their way and make an absolute mess. Fingers crossed. But I thought you guys might want to come along and see what we're up to, because there's so many cool cakes happening here. I'm getting started with this Biscoff cake. I've got Laya to the right of me who's doing some piñatas, which are going to be filled with sprinkles. We've got Hector doing rainbows and Hannah. We've got Sarah, Monique, we've got Chen, the whole gang are here. So, Biscoff cake. I have got 4 layers of beautiful brown butter sponge. As you can see, I mean, look how gorgeous and moist and soft it is. It is everything we want in a cake. It's going to get filled with my all-time favorite icing. Now look, I know I say this all the time, but Biscoff Swiss meringue, you just can't get better. It is soft, it is not super sweet, and so it's a great one for you if you're not all that keen on sweetness. And we're also going to fill it with pools of Biscoff. Have a look at this. So once I've got my first layer of icing on, I'm going to scoop out a little hole, and we are going to fill it with Biscoff, so that when you cut into this cake, you've got oozy, floozy pools of Biscoff. Oh my gosh, amazing. So let's just smooth that out. And we're not just going to stop there. No, we need to add some texture. So I've got some crushed up Biscoff biscuits here, and we're going to sprinkle those in so that you get a little crunch with every mouthful. And once that one's done, we grab our second layer of sponge and we put it on top. So I'm going to crack on with this. Sam's going to whiz around the kitchen and get as much cool stuff for you guys to see as possible. I also know that everyone's favourite Ferrero Rocher cake is being iced today, and the Bueno, which I know you guys are dying to see. So I'm going to try and nab that one and show you a little bit more about it. So I'm going to leave you to scurry around the kitchen. day it has been. So many cakes, so many different flavors. We are finally done. Now it's just time to get all of these cakes packaged up, ready for their new homes. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this and being inside the Crumbs and Doilies kitchen today. Make sure you check out our Instagram at Crumbs and Doilies, and of course at Cupcake Jemma, so that you can keep up with all of the cakey goodness that's going on. If you want to join us over on Bake Club for a little bit more behind the scenes actions, a lot more of what you've seen today, we've got loads of that over there. So head to patreon.com/Cupcake Jemma to join in the fun. We'll be back next week with a proper recipe video for you guys, I promise. Hopefully we've got a little bit more time next week, but I do hope that you enjoyed this. So see you next week.